Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be talking about comments. So comments are these nice little things that you leave for yourself or for other developers that you're working with on your team that help to serve as notes, that help explain to the next person what does this variable do, what does this function do, what does this block of code do. So for example, here, you have here age. You don't know the age of what exactly. Let's call it, for example, the age of a battery. Maybe this is the age of a battery, right? And it's 1,000 days old. So this is the age of a battery, okay? And in order to incorporate these comments, you put this pound sign here, this hash symbol, and then you write next to it whatever you want. You can see here that the letters turn to gray, and that indicates that this is a comment. And the good thing about comments is that you don't process them in runtime, so they don't really act as code. The compiler or the IDE completely ignores them in runtime. So for example, let's print age out. Okay. Okay, so the result here is 1,000. This result would still be the same with or without this part. This part is simply for you or for the person working with you on the same team, or for yourself and maybe a month later. That's what a comment does. It's basically something that you write for yourself that helps you remember what you did and gives an indication to the person next to you of what this part is in the code. That's it. It doesn't mean anything to the actual functionality of the code. So I'll see you in the next one.